Katia Valley. No, I'm back. I am back, guys. Welcome back to all my new subbies. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. This channel is very exciting. Today, the world is in chaos. A lot of countries are shut down because of what is going on the air. However, I want to share with you how you can make your own DIY sanitizer for the entire family, even for now and for later. All you need in making this DIY sanitizer is only 2 ingredients. So let's get down to making homemade sanitizer. So what we need is a jar or a measuring cup. You need that. You need witch hazel. You need aloe vera. Oh, who's calling me now? So guys, aloe vera gel is what you need. Aloe vera is antifungal and antibacterial. So this is very brand new. You need, depends on the quantity, it has to be part weight. It has to be the same measurement as the witch hazel. But I'm not making a lot because my house is full of sanitizer. But I'm still gonna use. So we're dunking 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Make sure you are using real aloe. Make sure you are using real aloe vera or organic fresh aloe vera. So 3 tablespoons of aloe vera, and I will also use 3 tablespoons of witch hazel. 1, 2, 3. As a matter of fact, I am going to add extra tablespoon just to make it a little bit watery. Yeah, you want to bring it to liquidified consistency. The third option, which is really optional, is tea tree oil, or you can use lavender. Lavender really calms you down, but I just want to make sure. So I just want to make sure that all the germs will be getting rid of. So I will be using few drops of tea tree oil. Again, this is very, very optional. You can use any essential oil, or you don't have to use essential oil. So voila, your hand sanitizer is all made. So you get a clear bottle, open it up, and you pour your hand sanitizer. This is your hand sanitizer. Yes, that's all you need. You don't need to go line up in the grocery store because you don't have hand sanitizer. However, you can easily make your hand sanitizer at home. So hand sanitizer is all ready to be used. Make sure you shake it well and you take some squirts in your hands and you have your sanitizer for the whole family. So guys, consider subscribing and sharing the video. Make your own homemade sanitizer and carry that along anywhere you go, especially in this season. And like I said, this season and forever, have your hand sanitizer in your handbag. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Subscribe and share the video. Love you guys and stay tuned. In the next video, we'll be talking about some fashion trends and some hacks and how to take care of your sweat shoes, patent leather shoes, leather handbags. So thank you guys for your time. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.